Now let's talk about the site audit. So for this, you need to connect your GSC property, and going to the property section, just connect with your Google account. Obviously, you must have a Google account to connect your property with. So after that, go to the site audit, and here you need to select your property here. For example, let me go with the copyright. And now always do the browser rendering. It's very better and very close metric that you can choose, and enable JavaScript obviously, and the maximum pages you want. I just want to do 10 pages, or you can do just one. So let me do one because I don't want to much longer for the report. So this is something which you will find. This is the score. So after it completes all of your pages, and it will show you the number of pages it crawled and the score here and the found issues. And as you can see, the score is 91 for the one page, and here you go. So here you will get all the information from the page score, total number of pages, issue found none, and issue by categories, no issues found. So that's why there's nothing here. And if you see here, so there's a duplicate meta tag, CEO friend URL is there, and these are the few issues that you can simply add that, and the status is this. Score is good. The issue has 13 issues. So if I just click on, this will show you the page analysis. So first is the on-page score, then the page size, the load time, and the number of links you have. And there's a page screenshot. You can simply get this screenshot just like that. So it's actually very beneficial for the crawler's perspective, how crawler is seeing your website. So this is great. And this is 1.48 seconds of LCP, which is good, and FID and TTI. There is a number of issues which is duplicate meta tag, so you need to see why duplicate, and this is a SEO friendly, so you need to define that URL because there should be a no slashes here. And there's a performance issues, only two, which is high loading time, has rendering blocking resources. And for this, we have a dedicated tool called Code by Vital, which we will talk about later. There's a content issues, low content rate. Okay, so this is also the another thing which we need to focus on. This a technical issue, has HTML doc type frame in our landing page because we use YouTube videos here. So there's a image issues, there's a canonical. So this is actually very important to recognize. So these are the resources, these are the links, these are the content. So it will show you a number of words, text size, text ratio, readability test, which is moderate, and list goes on. Gradually improving this, adding more data to it. For example, list of external links, internal links. We are going to add that in the near future. So there's all advanced filters, so it will categorize your links based on the issues and the codes which has the redirect codes or not found codes. So these are the all scores: good, bad, poor, and the issues with issues or no issues. You can simply sort your list out like that. And there's a history page. You will find all the past reports you're going by here.